Hey, John. Good afternoon. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. We spoke earlier on the phone about the cabinet painting part of your business. As we talked about, it looks like you've got quite a bit of experience with exactly what I'm looking for. And then plus you've got it looks like your company does everything in the construction industry. So I just wanted to take you through what we've got going for you here in Seattle, possibly. This website will be live on Monday, and we've got the homepage here. Runs through and basically goes through all four of the subjects for the four back pages. So we've got cabinet painting, cabinet refinishing, kitchen remodeler, and cabinet refacing. All of that is represented here on the homepage. And then we've got points of contact. We've got some referrals from some other business. So we've got a cabinet painting page and points of contact. And it just runs down the line. Cabinet refinishing. Got a local phone number here. Run everything through CallSling. Is the platform that we use for tracking all of the incoming calls from the website, and also records all the calls. And then that way we have positive tracking for anything and everything that comes in for you and for me. Kitchen remodeler. All of these pages individually are optimized also online so that we may just rank like a kitchen remodeling page in the future as this site comes up and gets more power. So I know you can handle that part of the business also. And then cabinet refacing is the last page. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek at what we have coming out here. Might be something that you're interested in, might not be. But again, I'm looking for one solid contractor that I can work with and funnel all the leads from this up and coming website to here in the next 30 to 60 days. So feel free to get back to me if you got any interest. Appreciate it.